So my job title at Thoroughbred Diesel is category manager, and what I do inside of that job title is I bring in the manufacturers that we sell here at Thoroughbred Diesel. Now I don't say that just to tout that I brought in KC to Thoroughbred Diesel, but I do say it to say that one of the best product launches that I have had in my tenure here at Thoroughbred Diesel has been KC Turbos. So KC Turbos, a little bit of background on them. These are all American made turbos. KC is out of the great state of Arizona. And it is really what I like to refer to it as an enthusiast-born company. So you have the owner of KC Turbos that was a light-duty diesel enthusiast, drove a 6.0, realized that a 6.0 Powerstroke had problems, and he could come up with a better mousetrap, and that's exactly what he did. Enter KC Turbos. So it's just been a wildly popular launch for us here at Thoroughbred Diesel, and it's been a really, really great relationship. Really, really good people to work with as far as that goes. And when you have really good people at the helm of a manufacturer, you're going to have a really good product that is produced by that manufacturer. And that's what you have with KC. Now, in each different turbo that they offer, all performance chargers, they offer different stages of it. They offer different variations. So they create a turbo in each one of the SKUs that they come up with. They create a turbo that fits whatever that you're doing, whether you're just a stock guy doing a little bit of towing or big time horsepower builds. They've got the turbo for you. So it is a complete lineup of turbos, and it's something that actually this is a wide lineup of turbos, and that's all they're doing is turbochargers. So that's what they know, that's what they do, and that's what they produce. And when you go and you're shopping for a turbo, you'll kind of get lost in it. There's a lot of information there, and they're teaching you and feeding you with the information for you to make the correct choice for what turbo to put on your truck, and helping you to become an enthusiast and feeding you the knowledge to keep you as an enthusiast in light duty diesel performance. So KC Turbos, if you're looking for a performance turbo for your light duty diesel truck, we definitely recommend you give them a look. Thanks for watching.